Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Proxy on Janitor AI. As a first step to be able to use a proxy on Janitor, we have to go to OpenRouter. In this case, I'm already here. We should log in. I'm logging in with my personal account, and we have to create an API key. In the main tab section, a button that says Get API Key will appear. You're going to click in and go to the new key in the API key section. In this case, I have some saved here, but I'm going to click to create a new one. You can name it anything. In this case, I'm going to give it that name. I will set the expiration time to 1 day, and well, the credit limit is optional. That doesn't affect anything. So you're going to click on create, and you must copy the API key it generates and keep it in safe place. Remember, this is only shown once and you won't be able to see it again. So copy it and write it somewhere so you can use it on Janitor. Now we are going to go to Janitor and select a character. In this case, select this character right here. We also have to keep in mind that it must have proxy enabled. In this case, this character doesn't have it. So I'm going to start a chat. Now you are going to go to this section here. We have to select, in this case by default it comes with Janitor, but we're going to select proxy. Under proxy, you are going to click on new proxy configuration. You can give it a name. In this case, I'm going to give it the same one as on my API key, but honestly, it can be any name. In the API key field, we are going to paste the API key that was generated for us in OpenRouter. So, and we are going to enter the following in the proxy URL and model fields. This is what you are going to enter in the proxy URL and model fields. You can select another chat model, but this is the recommended ones since it's free and you can use it without any issues. This will be the URL. You can copy the exact same ones I'm using and it will pretty well for you. Once you have this configured, you're simply going to click add and then click save. And that's it. The section that says saved will appear and now we can use the chat using proxy. In this top section, this little button that says using proxy will appear. It means that it has loaded and we can use it now here on Janitor AI.